This is xTool Rotary Attachment 2 Pro, the world's first 4-in-1 rotary for laser engravers. Open your package, and you will find the following items. The 4 functions of RA2 Pro include roller rotary, chuck rotary, sphere rotary, and ring rotary. Roller rotary. To start off, you need to set the roller in the suitable gear position, according to the diameter of your cylindrical object. Remove the screw on the bottom plate. Rotate the roller to the desired gear position. Then tighten the screw again. Using the support module, turn the cap to adjust the support wheels, and align the center of the wheel to the center of the cylindrical object. You can check if the engraving surface is horizontal or not by using the mini level provided. The support module can be placed further from the rotary attachment for supporting extra long cylinders like a baseball bat. Chuck rotary. Changing from rotary roller to rotary chuck. Loosen the 2 screws on the bottom plate. Remove the slave drive shaft. Loosen the 2 screws on the shaft coupling. Remove the drive shaft. Rotate the shaft coupling. Make sure that flat edge of the motor shaft faces downward. Assemble the belt pulley to the motor shaft. Tighten the set screw to the flat edge, rotate the shaft coupling, and tighten the other set screw. Put the belt on the chuck belt pulley, then assemble the chuck to the motor. Fix the chuck in place by using the M4x20 screws. We provide 2 pairs of jaws. The single-step jaws for objects with rounded edges, and the double-step jaws for engraving objects that have a flat bottom. You also can 3D print jaws for holding larger objects. Simply add the jaws to the chuck using the M4*10 screws. You can use the jaws in 2 ways depending on your object. Use the chuck key to tighten and loosen the object. If the object is too long, you can use the support module to support the other end of the object. If you are engraving mug with handle, you can remove the bottom plate and put it to the back of the rotary chuck. Changing the rotary chuck to rotary roller. Remove the chuck from the rotary attachment. Insert the drive shaft to the shaft coupling. Tighten the set screw to the flat edge of the drive shaft. Rotate the shaft and tighten the other set screw. Then fix the shaft to the bottom plate. Insert the slave drive shaft to the belt and fix the slave drive shaft to the bottom plate. Ring rotary. Using the stud components. Tighten the studs to the chuck. Rotate the chuck to tighten the rings. Sphere rotary. Using the tail module. Push the tail module to the desired position. Then fix the module by turning the thumb screw. The tail module is suitable for spherical objects. Use the tail module together with the stud components or jaws components.